Good morning, student. Welcome back to lecture. Today we start the mole concept. So last lecture we have studied what is molecular mass, means mass of substance present in atom, molecule or compound. Also studying formula mass. Formula means any ionic compound calculated as formula. So today we start mole concept. What is a mole concept? So 1 mole is equal to 6.022 into 10 raised to 23 particle. फॉर एग्जाम्पल मैंने बाजार में जाके 1 डजन बनाना लाया. फॉर 1 डजन बनाना मीन्स क्वांटिटी 12. अभी मैं बोली कि 5 डजन बनाना फिर से, तो 12 5 जा 60 हो गए. मीन्स 5 डजन बनाना 12 5 जा 60. मीन्स क्वांटिटी फिक्स है. डजन के लिए 12 क्वांटिटी आती है, लेकिन 5 डजन बोले तो 12 into 5 to 60 बनाना ला गया. फॉर एग्जाम्पल अभी मैंने बोला कि 1 मोल मीन्स कोई भी सब्सटेंस का मोल फिक्स रहता है. मीन्स कोई भी सब्सटेंस, फॉर एग्जाम्पल कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड मॉलिक्यूल, सो इट कंटेन्स 6.022 into 10 raised to 23 particles are present. So next example 5 so 5 also contains 6.022 into 10 raised to 23 particles are present. मीन्स ये हम यूज करते हैं क्वांटिटी ऑफ सब्सटेंस. मीन्स ये क्वांटिटी हमें फिक्स मिली. सो 1 मोल मीन्स कोई भी कंपाउंड, कोई भी सब्सटेंस में कितने पार्टिकल या कितने मॉलिक्यूल्स प्रेजेंट है? 6.022 into 10 raised to 23. और दिस नंबर इज नोन एज एवोगाड्रो नंबर और एवोगाड्रो कांस्टेंट वैल्यू. सो व्हाट इज डेफिनेशन ऑफ मोल कंसेप्ट? Amount of substance which contains many particles present in 12 gram of carbon 12 atom. Means last lecture we also say that carbon 12 means carbon element as a standard element. So 12 gram of carbon 12 atom, and this number of particle is determined by equal to Avogadro number. Avogadro number means 6.022 into 10 raised to 23 particle. So this number, so how to calculate? Means number of atom in 12 gram of carbon 12 means mass of 1 mole of carbon atom divided by mass of 1 carbon 12 atom, means this value is determined by mass spectrometer. So we know that carbon atomic number 6, atomic mass 12. Atomic mass means the number of proton plus neutron present in nucleus. So 12 atomic mass means 1 mole of substance, 12 gram, and mass of 1 carbon 12 atom is determined by mass spectrometer instrument. Means with the help of mass spectrometer we calculate the mass of carbon 12 atom. So value is 1.99 2648 into 10 raised to minus 23 gram. So divide or calculating these two values we get number 6.022 into 10 raised to 23 particles or molecule. Or this number is denoted by Na. Na means Avogadro constant or Avogadro number. So 1 mole which is equal to 6.022 into 10 raised to 23 particle means mole concept. For example carbon dioxide. Carbon, in last lecture we studied the molecular mass of carbon dioxide, atomic mass of carbon 12 and atomic mass of oxygen is 60. So first 1 atom of carbon, so 1 into atomic mass of carbon 12 plus 2 atom of oxygen 2 into atomic mass of oxygen 16. So 12 1 is 12 plus 16 2 is 32 means 44 gram. Molar mass of carbon dioxide is 44 gram. In last lecture in Avogadro law we say that volume is directly proportional to the number of molecule. So value of V upon N which is equal to mole concept. Mole concept means the total number of atom, ions, molecule present in 1 mole of substance. And this 1 mole of substance which is always equal to Avogadro number means Na, which is equal to 6.022 into 10 raised to 23 particle of molecule. For example, in this 4 bottle, we give 6.022 particles of O2, oxygen molecule. Next example, carbon dioxide, next methane, and last argon. So in last lecture, Avogadro volume means V upon N, which is always equal to 22.414 liter, or this value is known as molar gas volume, or 1 mole of different gases having different molar masses occupy same volume of 22.414 liter at STP. STP means standard temperature pressure. Contain 6.022 into 10 raised to 23 particle molecule. So oxygen mass O2 means 2 atoms of oxygen. So oxygen mass, atomic mass of oxygen 16. So 2 into 16, 32 gram. 32 gram. Molar mass or molecular mass of oxygen molecule 32 gram. Next, carbon dioxide. So molecular mass of carbon dioxide, 1 atom of carbon into atomic mass of carbon 12 plus 2 atom of oxygen plus atomic mass of oxygen 16. So 12 plus 32 means 44 gram. 44 gram. Molar mass of carbon dioxide is 44 gram. Next, CH4. So CH4, molecular mass of CH4, 1 atom of carbon 1 into atomic mass of carbon 12 plus 4 atoms of hydrogen plus atomic mass of hydrogen is 1. So 12 1 12 plus 4 means 16 gram. Atomic mass of methane molecule is 16 gram. And last, argon. Argon atomic mass is, molecular mass of argon, atomic number 18 and atomic mass is approximately double, means 39.9, which is equal to 40. So molecular mass of argon is 40 gram, means 39.9. So we consider as 40 gram. And molar volume of any gas, which is always equal to 22.414 liter. So what is mole concept? Mole concept means total number of atom, ions or molecule present in 1 mole of substance. So in, for example, oxygen, molecular mass or molar mass of oxygen 32 gram. But any pure gas or any substance which is always equal to 22.4 liter. So it contains 6.022 into 10 raised to 23 particle. Next example, carbon dioxide, molecular mass 44 gram and with value which is equal to 22.4 liter. And it contains how many number of particles? 6.022 into 10 raised to 23 particle. Next example, methane, molecular mass 16 gram and same volume of gas means 22.4 liter. And how many moles of particle present in methane? 6.022 into 10 raised to 23. Argon same as it is, atomic mass or molecular mass of argon 40 gram. But molar mass of any pure gas of volume which is always equal to 22.4 and particles present in argon 6.022 into 10 raised to 23 particles. So I hope this concept is clear. So next we solve different types of examples. So next number of moles, number of fundamental particle or molecules, or volume occupied by gas at STP in dmq, and last mass of substance. So we solve different types of problem on this question. So how to find out number of moles? In formula, mass of substance upon molar mass of substance, number of molecule n. N means number of moles and Na means Avogadro number, and volume of gas at STP means standard temperature pressure. So which is equal to n, number of moles into 22.414 liter. So this formula getting on mole triangle. So mole triangle means first we have given as number of particles and we have find out the number of moles. So number of particle multiplied by Avogadro number. So we get number of moles and number of moles, and we have to find out number of particle. So divide by n means Avogadro number. So we get number of moles. Next, volume of gas at STP in dmq and find out the number of moles. So divide by 22.4. So we get value of number of moles, and number of moles into multiply by 22.4, which is given value means we get value of volume occupied by gas at STP in dmq, and last mass of substance. So we given as number of moles. So number of moles into molar mass, we get mass of substance, and mass of substance divided by molar mass, we get number of moles. So this triangle means relationship between these four property. So we get formula and we solve the example. So we get first example, calculate the number of moles in 392 gram of sulfuric acid. Means given value mass of substance is 392 gram. And we have to find out the number of moles. Number of moles means symbol small n. We have to find out. So question marks. And we have to calculate the molecular mass or molar mass of given compound. So sulfuric acid formula H2SO4. So molecular mass means mm of sulfuric acid molecular mass. So first 2 atoms of hydrogen into atomic mass of hydrogen 1 plus 1 atom of sulfur into 32 atomic mass of sulfur plus 4 atom of oxygen into atomic mass of oxygen 16. So 2 1s are 2 plus 32 1s are 32 plus 16 4s are 64. So adding this value we get 98 gram means molar mass of sulfuric acid or molecular mass of sulfuric acid. So using this formula means number of moles which is equal to mass of substance divided by molar mass of substance, and we have to find out the number of moles means small n. So mass of substance is 392 gram upon molar mass of substance 98 gram. So calculating we get 98 1 is 98, 392 means 4 is 98 4 is 392. So we get 4 moles means number of moles of sulfuric acid in compound is 4 moles. Next example, calculate the number of moles in 7.9 milligram of calcium. So we have to find out n means number of moles, and given value mass of substance is 7.9 milligram, and molar mass of calcium means we denote as mm. Atomic number of calcium milligram and molar mass of calcium in gram. So we have first convert milligram to gram. So 7.9 into 10 raised to minus 3 gram. Next formula N means number of moles, mass of substance upon molar mass of substance. So mass of substance 7.9 into 10 raised to minus 3 gram and molar mass is 40 gram. So calculating we get answer 7.9 into 10 raised to minus 3. So 40. So we remove decimal. So upon 10. Next 79, 40 into 10 and 10 raised to minus 3. So divide by 1000. So 79 into 4 into 10 raised to 5. So 79 divided by 4 is 19.75 into 10 raised to minus 5. So number of moles of calcium we get 19.75 into 10 raised to 5 moles. Next example, calculate the number of moles in 9 gram of aluminum. So we given value mass of substance means 9 gram. Molar mass of substance aluminum. Atomic number aluminum atomic number 30 and atomic mass approximately double means 27 gram. So we have to calculate number of moles means N. So given mass of substance 9 gram upon molar mass of substance 27 gram. So 9 1 is 9, 9 3 is 27. So we get 9 1 is 9, 9 3 is 27. So we get number of moles 1 upon 3 moles. Next example, calculate the mass of 2.5 moles of Cl2 molecule means chlorine molecule. So given values in this example we given as number of moles means N 2.5 mole and molar mass of substance chlorine molecule so we get chlorine molecule. So Cl2 means 2 into 35.5. So we get 71 gram molar mass of chlorine means Cl2 molecule. Next we have to find out mass of substance. So formula N, formula of number of moles N, which is equal to given mass means mass of substance upon molar mass of substance. So value we get in this example we have given as N. So 2.5 number of moles which is equal as we have to calculate the mass of substance and given as molar mass of substance 71. So 2.5 on rearranging this equation divide by, so in left hand side we get 2.5 multiplied by 71 into which is equal to mass of substance 25. On removing decimal point 25 into 71 divided by 10 which is given as mass of substance. So on calculating this value, we given as value 177.5 gram. So mass of chlorine is 177.5 gram. So next question number 5. What is the mass of 1 mole of water? So we given as number of moles 1 mole, and we have to find out molecular mass of H2O. So calculating the mass of substance. So in this 3 question we have to solve in your home. So this is homework question. 3 question is homework question. So in first 5th question we given as N means 1 mole and molecular mass of water is 18 gram. So we have to find out mass of substance. We have to find out mass of substance. Second, 6th number question, calculate the mass of 0.5 mole of carbon dioxide. So we given as number of mole 0.5 mole, and we have to find out mass of substance. And carbon dioxide molecular mass 44 gram. In question 7, calculate the number of moles in 10 gram, means given as mass 10 gram. And we have to calculate the molecular mass of calcium carbonate CaCO3 Ca, atomic mass. 1 mole of calcium into atomic mass of calcium 40 plus 1 mole of carbon into atomic mass is 12 plus 3 moles of oxygen into 16. So 140 is a 40 plus 12 and 16 3 is a 48. So we have to 3 addition. We get molecular mass of calcium carbonate, and we have to find out, calculate the number of moles, means N. So question number 5, 6 and 7. This is your homework question. So next we start question number 8. How many moles are present in 0.8 gram of iron? So we have to find out number of moles means N, given mass 0.8 gram, and molecular mass of iron which is equal to 56 gram. So using formula first, number of moles means N, mass of substance upon molar mass of substance. So mass of substance 0.8 gram upon molar mass of substance 56 gram. So removing decimal point, 8 upon 10 into 56. So 8 1 side, 8 7 is 56. So we get 1 upon 70 moles means 0. So 1 upon 10 into 7. So 1 upon 70 moles means answer 0.01428 moles. So this is your answer. Number of moles of Fe iron. Fe means iron molecule is 0.01428 moles. Next, calculate the number of moles in 6.022 into 10 raised to 23 molecules of oxygen. So in this question we have given as number of particles, which is equal to 6.022 into 10 raised to 23 molecules. So we use a second formula. So N into number of particles upon Na, means in second formula number of molecule which is equal to N into Na, Avogadro number, So we have to find out n number of moles. So rearranging this equation, so we get formula n which is equal to number of molecules. So n which is equal to number of particles upon Na, Avogadro number. So number of particles given is 6.022 into 10 raised to 23 and Avogadro number 6.022 into 10 raised to 20. So we get answer 1 mole. So number of moles of oxygen is n is equal to 1 mole. In second example, calculate the number of moles of 1 into 10 raised to 23 molecules of carbon dioxide. So we have to find out n which is equal to number of particles upon Na. So given number of particles 1 into 10 raised to 23 molecules upon Na, Avogadro number 6.022 into 10 raised to 23 particles, and we have to calculate n means number of moles. Calculate the number of moles and given as particle. Calculate the number of moles n and given as number of particles. Na as fixed constant number 6.022 into 10 raised to 23. So we get 10 raised to 23, 10 raised to 23 cancel out each other. So 1 upon 6.022. So answer of this question is 0.16605 moles. So n which is equal to 0.16605 moles. This question number 11, calculate the mass of 1 into 10 raised to 23 molecules of methane. So we have to find out mass of substance and we given as number of particles particles 1 into 10 raised to 23. So we use first formula n means number of moles which is equal to number of particles upon Na. Na means Avogadro number. So number of particle 1 into 10 raised to 23 upon Na 6.022 into 10 raised to 23. So 10 raised to 23, 10 raised to 23 cancel out each other. So Na n means number of moles 1 upon 6022 moles. But in this question we have to find out the mass of substance. So first formula mass of substance means using number of mole. So n is equal to mass of substance upon molar mass of substance. So substance means methane. So methane molecular formula CH4. So we have first find out the molar mass or molecular mass of CH4. So one atom of carbon 1 into 12 plus 4 atoms of hydrogen into atomic mass of hydrogen 1. So 12 1 the 12 plus 4 1 the 4 16 gram. Means molar or molecular mass of methane is 16 gram. So n is equal to mass of substance upon molar mass of substance 16 gram. And in first section we have to find out number n number of moles 1 upon 6.022 moles means 1 upon 6.022 moles is equal to mass of substance upon molar mass 16 gram. So divide by 16 gram. In left hand side we get 1.6022 into 60 which is equal to mass of substance. 65 gram. This is a mass of substance. Mass of substance is 2.65 gram. So first, mass of substance, we have to find out mass of substance. So question mark, and given number of particles 1 into 10 raised to 23 molecules of particle. So we use first formula n, which is equal to number of particle upon Na, Avogadro number. So given value upon Avogadro number, so we get number of moles. And second formula, we have to find out mass of substance. So we use the formula n, number of moles, which is equal to mass of substance upon molar mass of substance. So we calculate the molar mass of substance, means methane, molecular formula CH4. So we get molar mass of substance 16 gram. So we use n, 1 upon 6.022 moles, and mass of substance find out, and molecular mass of CH4 16 gram. So rearranging the equation, we get 16 upon 6.022, means value 2.65 gram is the mass of substance. Mass of substance means CH4 mass is 2.65 gram in this question. Question number 12. What is the mass of 1.0 into 10 raised to 23 molecules of H2S? So we given as number of particle, which is equal to 1.0 into 10 raised to 23 molecules. Next, we have to find out the mass of substance. This question. So, using first formula n means number of mole, which is equal to number of particles upon Na, Avogadro number. So number of particles is given as 1.0 into 10 raised to 23 molecules upon Na, 6.022 into 10 raised to 23 particles. So 10 raised to 23, 10 raised to 23 cancel out each other. So we get 1.0 means 1. So 1 divided by 6.022 moles. We get number of moles 1 divided by 6.022 moles. And we have to find out the mass of substance. So next formula n means mass of substance upon molecular mass of substance, means mm of substance. So molecular mass of substance we have to first find out. So molecular mass of H2S, 2 atoms of hydrogen into atomic mass of hydrogen 1, plus 1 atom of sulfur into atomic mass of sulfur 32. So 2 ones are 2 plus 32 ones are 32. We get molecular mass of H2S is 34 gram. Molecular mass of substance is 34 gram. So n means mass of substance we have to find out. And molecular mass 34 gram. And number of moles is given as, means calculating in last, 1 upon 6.022. So rearranging the equation, 1 upon 6.022 divided by 34. In right left hand side we get multiply, means 34 ones are 34. So 34 upon 6.022 means 5.64 gram. Means mass of H2S is 5.64 gram. First given as number of particles. So using first formula n, which is equal to number of particles upon Na, we get number of moles 1 upon 6.022 moles. And next formula we use n, number of moles, which is equal to mass of substance upon molar mass of substance. So molar mass of substance H2S is, we get 34 gram. So putting this value, we get answer mass of substance, which is equal to 5.64 gram. In next lecture we have to study the next concept of mole of given gas, volume of gas is given. So we use third formula in mole triangle. So I hope you understand this mole concept part first. Thank you.